Here next I am going to classify the polynomials according to number of terms. So here algebraic expression said to be a polynomial, it must satisfy the condition of exponents of the variable must be non-negative integers. So here if the polynomial, already that condition is satisfied, you can say that is a polynomial. And in the polynomials again, then we can say that the number of terms present in it. If the polynomial contains only one term, it is called monomial. Two terms are there, it is binomial. Three terms are there, it is trinomial. Four terms are there, means more than three. How many are there? We can say that is simply, we can say that is a multinomial. Multinomials. So the first condition, it is a polynomial of one term, polynomial of two terms, polynomial of three terms, polynomial of more than three terms. So we can say that special name monomial, binomial, trinomial, and the multinomial. Okay. So here if polynomial contains only one term, so that is called monomial. So monomials also you can write example minus 3x minus. It is need not be the degree 1. So here the condition you have to remember. Here need not be the degree 1. Here you can write 7x to the power of 5. In this polynomial only one term is there, but its degree is 5. It satisfies the condition of the polynomial. So that's why the polynomial, it contains only one term, it is called monomial. Here the binomial. Here the binomial condition also there here. Here 3x plus 5, it is given only two terms are there. One is the linear polynomial. Actually this is linear polynomial. But you can write one more example, 3x cube plus 4x square. These are the two terms are there in this. It is also called, this polynomial also called binomial. And trinomial means it must have the three terms. So whatever the degree it may be, whatever the degree of the term, so it must have the three terms, we can say trinomial. So I can write 7y square plus 3y plus 4. Here you see it is this is the polynomial in variable y, and three terms are there, and this polynomial is called as a trinomial. Then multinomial. Multinomials are more than three terms. More than three terms, it must have the more than. Here I can write here already given terms 3x cube and 2x square plus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. So more than three terms are there, that is multinomial. Here just now I said that it must satisfy the condition of the polynomial, and later we can consider the number of terms. Then according to that we can say that that is monomial, binomial, trinomial, or multinomial. Here a polynomial may be a multinomial, may not be. Here you see all are polynomials, that may be monomial, binomial, or trinomial, or multinomial. But multinomials need not be a polynomial. One example I am going to give here. So for this I am going to give one example here. A polynomial may be a multinomial, may not be, because here we have observed that all are polynomials only. If more than three times, it is multinomial. Okay, it's gone. But all multinomials are not polynomials. All multinomials need not be polynomial. I am going to give one example here. X to the power of 3 plus 4x square plus 7 upon x minus 3. Here you see this one is a multinomial. More than three terms are there, it contains four terms, and it is a multinomial. But once you can check the exponents of the variable terms present in this multinomial, here x cube 4x square plus 7x to the power of minus 1 minus 3x to the power of 0. Here you see the exponents of the variables of the polynomial. Here 3, 2, minus 1, 0. Here you see the negative power is there. So, but definition itself, it says that the exponent of the variable must be non-negative integer. Non-negative integer means here 0, 1, 2, 3, but negative number is present in this exponent of the variable. Therefore, this is just a multinomial, not a polynomial. Okay. Next, a linear polynomial with one variable may be a monomial or a binomial. A linear polynomial with one variable may be a monomial. Just now I explained in that. So linear polynomial means here the degree is 1. Degree is 1 means here you see the linear polynomial with one variable may be monomial, binomial. Here you see one example I am going to give here. 7x is there. Here you see its degree is 1. So it is linear polynomial. And 3x plus 5 is there. Its degree 1. And it is a linear polynomial, but two terms are there, that is like a binomial. So linear polynomial with one variable may be a monomial or binomial. The next here we will discuss how many terms a cubic polynomial with one variable can have. So here cubic polynomial means degree is 3. When we can say that is a cubic polynomial, degree of the polynomial is 3, we can say that is a cubic polynomial. So now how many terms the cubic polynomial can have? Now here you see I am going to give the example. Seven x cube. Here degree is 3. Number of terms 1. Here the second 4x cube plus 7x square. Here degree of the polynomial is 3. Number of terms equal to 2. One more I can write 7x cube minus 3x square plus 4x. So here the degree of this polynomial is 3. Degree is equal to 3. Number of terms is equal to 3. The last here you can write 4x cube plus x square minus 7x plus 4. Here you see how many terms are there. Degree is same. Degree is 3 and the number of terms is equal to 4. So how many terms of cubic polynomial with one variable can have? 1 to 4 terms it can have. 1 to 4 terms. Next, if the variable in a polynomial x, we may denote the polynomial by p of x, q of x, r of x. So for example, we may write something. I'm going to write here one variable x. Then if I can write p of x, you can write 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So this one is the polynomial in one variable. It is denoted by p of x. Similarly, q of x you can write means in the variable x only, x plus 5, and r of x you can write 2x minus 7. Okay. Now it is only the variable x. Suppose if you want to write p of y, variable y, so you can write y cube plus 7y square plus 3y plus 4. This is the variable y, this polynomial. Suppose you can write p of z. So here z square minus 6z plus 9. So this is also a polynomial in variable z. Okay. Now write the polynomial with two terms in variable x. Two terms in variable x. So here these two examples you can write here. Variable x, two terms are there, x plus y, and write the polynomial with two terms in variable x. Or some more you can write here. Here degree need not be mentioned, so that's why any degree you can write 2x square plus 5, 7 x to the power of 5 plus 3x square. Okay, you can write only two terms here, variable x. How can you write a polynomial with 15 terms in variable p? Here this one is. Here this contains 15 terms are there. How many terms are there? 15 terms are there. That is variable p. So instead of that I am going to write r of p, variable p. R is a polynomial in variable p. So now I can write easily. So whatever the coefficients may be, a to the power of 0 and p to the power of 15. Okay. Now here 15 terms you have to get it. Or you can write any degree you can take, no problem. At least you can take the 14 you can take, it is up to 0 you can write. A to the power a1 p to the power of 13, a2 p to the power of 12, dash dash blah blah, and here finally you can write a to the power of 14, p to the power of 1, and plus a to the power of 0 is there, here 30, 14 and p to the power of here 0, this one. So here you can write the 15 terms like that. You can start from a0 to a14 and the power 14 to 0. So this polynomial contains 15 terms with variable p.